Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. This is CSX Freight Train Guy 301. We are doing a video of the fans. So here we go. Got an unknown industrial right here. We got the first one. We got metal halide lamps. 4 window fans. There's a fan in that office where we're not going in there. But and we got the second one. And we got the third one right here. And this one and this fan right here. So yeah. Yep, it's a metal halide lamp. Hey, Mr. Kyle, what do you want to say for National Ceiling Fan Day?
Support the ceiling fans.
Yep. And you know, hey Kyle, you know what happened to this fixture?
The Delaware Gazette.
Yeah, it is. Got this one right here, which it's going real slow. Got this fan right here. So yeah, that's gonna be it for Kyle. What do you want to say for my National Ceiling Fan video today?
Subscribe to my friend.
And support all the ceiling fans today. Make sure you turn them on to celebrate National Ceiling Fan Day today. So yeah.
This is the military.
Got another metal halide lamp. There's 2 that failed.
Well, that's a hot.
Yeah, it is.
Military.
So yeah. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and more videos to come. CSX Freight Train Guy 301 signing off.